Guy cut me in line at the coffee shop, so I made him wait longer than his career. I'm not a morning person. Usually I'd be at home gooning to some femboy TikToks, but today I felt like going out to get some coffee. I'm barely a person before caffeine, which is why the only rule I have before 8 a.m. is simple. Do not test me in the coffee line. The line at this particular shop is sacred, a mix of sleepy regulars, laptop warriors, and one barista who somehow remembers everyone's order and trauma history. So there I am, holding on to consciousness with both hands, when a guy in a crisp suit, you know the type, Bluetooth earpiece, smells like cologne and debt, breezes past the entire line like he's late to broker world peace. No, excuse me, no, my bad. Just plants himself at the counter and barks, triple shot oat milk latte, extra hot, no lid. The barista, bless her caffeinated soul, glances at us in the line with that silent question. Do I start a fight or start the drink? She starts the drink, and I, half asleep, half fueled by petty rage, decide that if she won't stop him, I will. I work in IT, which means my brain is wired for creative troubleshooting. This coffee shop has a pickup counter where drinks wait for their owners. It also has a tiny sign taped to the espresso machine. Please be patient. Orders may take longer during rush. Perfect. As soon as his drink lands on the counter, I sidle up like I'm grabbing my own order and quietly say to the barista, "Hey, I think the guy in the suit said iced earlier. He looked confused when you handed him a hot one." She pauses, looks over. "Oh, did you?" He's still glued to his Bluetooth call, waves a hand without even listening. Yeah, whatever. Just make it iced." And just like that, the triple shot oat milk latte goes down the drain. While they remake it, I make part 2 happen. I lean toward the guy on the phone and say in my most polite voice, "By the way, I think she also said they're out of oat milk now." He rips the earpiece out. "Wait, what?" He storms to the counter, gets into a dramatic debate about how he can't digest dairy and how almond milk makes it taste like dirt. Barista offers soy. He sulks like a toddler in a tailored jacket and agrees. The soy latte finally comes out. But here's the thing about soy milk. It foams way more than oat, and the extra hot part, not compatible with iced, which he had accidentally confirmed earlier. Barista looks at him, deadpan. "Sorry, it's gonna take another couple minutes." By now, the rest of us in line have cycled through, gotten our drinks, and left. I'm sitting by the window, sipping my coffee, watching him pace. He checks his watch. He huffs. He mutters something about missing the call. Finally, his drink appears, 40 minutes after he first cut in line. He grabs it without so much as a thank you, tastes it, and makes a face like he just licked a battery. Why? Because I might have also mentioned to the barista that he seemed really into sweet stuff when I walked past earlier. Soy latte, 4 pumps of caramel. No way he was asking for that. He leaves in a storm of cologne and self-importance. The barista and I share the faintest nod of solidarity. No words, just mutual understanding. I didn't ruin his day. I just rearranged it. Moral: if you're gonna cut the line, be prepared to wait longer than everyone you cut in front of. And maybe, just maybe, your soy caramel mistake will follow you all the way to your 9 a.m. meeting.